Here's how you get the Frosty Bubblegum Pink eyes that I did on Dylan for the golden.
Let's try it out and see how it turns out. So I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette here, dive into this purple eyeshadow, and I will be using that as my base. We're going in with this eyeshadow first because a purple base is going to make that pink eyeshadow pop even more. So I thought I would use this eyeshadow here. Now that the base is done, I'm going in with a pink shadow. I will be using this one right here. This eyeshadow has a little bit of glitters in it, as you can see. So let's place that on top of our purple base eyeshadow. Oh, do you see that pink? Ah, so pretty. The last thing to add is the sparkle. So it's in this shade right here. Just going to apply it here a little bit, just a tad, see what it does to the look. Going back to this eyeshadow palette here, I'm diving into this shadow here. Let's go in. Not the sparkle. Ooh, how cute. Oh, so pretty. I think we did it. I think we did it, friends. Okay, let's put in some lashes. The lashes are on. What do we think? Did we achieve the bubble eye makeup look? Let me know in the comment section. And this look is so nice.